Okay, this is the fifth section of the Parotid Gland Pathology station, and these questions here in this section that will be asked to you by the examiner are mostly related to the previous section, the section of the investigations. Okay, so if you remember the investigations, you would expect this question, but this question is it looks like a game. The examiner will play a game with you, okay, and he will ask you 3 questions. Fine. So what are the questions that will show in this part here? Number 1 is going to ask you made an investigation, whatever it is, frozen section, histology, whatever it is, and you found that this specimen or whatever it is, or biopsy, contains lymphocytes plus Langerhans giant cells. This equals what? If you find that there are lymphocytes, okay, and Langerhans giant cells, what does this mean? This means that your specimen has been taken from a granuloma. Okay, and remember that he may ask you the question in another way. He may ask you, what will you find in granuloma? You want to tell that there are lymphocytes and Langerhans giant cells. So this is the first one, okay, and these three statements are always same. Okay, so the second, the examiner will ask you that you found epithelioid cells plus or with brown cytoplasm, and the key word here is brown. Okay, so you found epithelioid cells with brown cytoplasm. This equals what? This is malignant melanoma. Okay, and he also may ask you, what will you find in malignant melanoma? You want to tell that I will find epithelioid cells and brown cytoplasm. Okay, well, the last one is, he's going to ask you, you are finding lymphoid cells, okay, and pleomorphism. What is your diagnosis at this point? And actually, if you find lymphoid cells and pleomorphism, this is typical for lymphoma. Okay, and in the same way, he may ask you, what will you find in lymphoma? You are going to tell that I will find lymphoid cells and pleomorphism. Pleomorphism means that, as you told before, and you know already, difference in size of the cells. Okay, so these are the 3 points that will be asked to you. Every question of these 3 has at least 2 marks, so you want to focus on it. Okay.